In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add grid in Miro board. Let's get started by opening your browser and heading to Miro.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and sign in so you can access your workspace. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see your recent boards and options to create something new. Create a new space to work in by selecting Create New. From the options that appear, choose Board. This gives you a fresh canvas where you can add and arrange content. If you prefer to use an existing board, that works too. The process is exactly the same once you're inside the board. Inside your board, look to the left-hand toolbar and click the plus icon. This opens Miro's content panel where you can add a variety of elements. It's a handy place to find shapes, diagrams, and more. If your toolbar is collapsed, move your cursor to the left edge to reveal it. Make sure you're zoomed in enough to see where you'll place the grid clearly. In the search bar that appears within that panel, type the word grid and press enter. This filters the results so you can quickly find the grid element. If you don't see it immediately, double check that you're searching in the content panel on the left, not the board's general search, and ensure you've spelled it correctly. Click the grid item from the results. Miro will prepare the grid tool for you to configure before placing it on the board. This is helpful because you can set its structure to match your use case. Choose how many columns and rows you want. Think about what you're organizing. For instance, a 3x3 grid for simple prioritization, or more rows and columns for detailed planning. You can usually adjust sizing after placement, but setting the right structure up front saves time. When you're satisfied with the layout, move your cursor to where you want the grid to appear and click to place it on your board. Once it's placed, you can drag it to reposition and use the handles to resize so it fits your canvas. Snap guides will help keep everything aligned as you move it around. If you're adding sticky notes, cards, or shapes, place them into the cells to keep your content tidy and easy to scan. That's it. Go to Miro, create a board, open the left panel with the plus icon, search for grid, select it, choose your columns and rows, and place it on the board. Explore styling and layout options to make the grid fit your workflow, and you're all set.